Hey there, kids! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn something super cool about plants. Have you ever wondered how plants eat or where they get their energy from? Well, they don't eat like us, but they have an awesome trick called photosynthesis that helps them make their own food using sunlight. So, let's dive in and learn all about photosynthesis and how it works. Ready? Let's go! Plants are amazing, aren't they? From tiny flowers to giant trees, plants are all around us. But how do they grow so big and healthy without eating food like we do? The secret is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that happens in the leaves of plants. It allows plants to make their own food using three main ingredients: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, the gas we breathe out. When plants get these ingredients, they can make something called glucose, which is like plant food. And the coolest part? They do this all with the help of sunlight. Now, let's break down how this awesome process works. Step 1. The leaves of the plant absorb sunlight. Inside the leaves, there's a special green substance called chlorophyll. This is what makes the leaves green and helps capture sunlight. Step 2. The roots of the plant soak up water from the soil. The water travels up the plant through the stem to the leaves, where the magic happens. Step 3. The plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air. Plants have tiny little openings in their leaves called stomata. These openings let carbon dioxide in, which the plant uses in photosynthesis. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Inside the leaves, the plant uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make glucose, plant food, and oxygen. The oxygen gets released into the air, which is what we breathe. So why is photosynthesis so important? Well, it helps plants grow. Without photosynthesis, plants wouldn't be able to make their own food and wouldn't grow big and strong. It also gives us oxygen. During photosynthesis, plants release oxygen, which is super important because it's what we breathe, and it keeps the earth in balance. Photosynthesis also helps clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide, which helps keep the environment healthy. So plants not only feed themselves, but also help us breathe and keep our planet green. Isn't that amazing? Now that we know how photosynthesis works, let's do a fun little experiment to see it in action. What you'll need: a small plant or leaf, a clear plastic bag, and a sunny spot. Step 1. Place the plastic bag over a leaf of the plant and seal it around the stem. Step 2. Put the plant in a sunny spot. Step 3. Leave it there for a few hours and then come back to check. What will you see? Little drops of water inside the bag. This water is produced during photosynthesis, and you can see it up close. Isn't that cool? Wow, we've learned a lot today about photosynthesis. Let's do a quick recap. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their food through photosynthesis. They create glucose, which helps them grow, and oxygen, which we need to breathe. Without photosynthesis, there would be no plants, and life on Earth would be very different. Fun fact: did you know that some algae and bacteria also do photosynthesis just like plants? Plants are amazing little food factories, aren't they? Next time you see a tree or a flower, you'll know that it's busy making food and oxygen, thanks to photosynthesis. How awesome is that? Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning about plants and want to see more fun science videos, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. Bye for now.